Hey curl friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Jazz and I'm back with these beautiful curls, and I only use 15 Flexi rods. So this is going to be an easy set that anybody can do, and this is a great size if you're really trying to get into the rod game. So first, as always, I'm going to be starting with freshly washed hair. So I'm going to be showing you my deep conditioning step. Normally I've already washed and deep conditioned. So deep conditioning your hair is really going to have a great impact on the moisture level, the shine level that you're gonna get with your style. So especially with any product, I'm gonna be using the deep conditioner and the stylers that go with it. So I'm using the Nourish Treatment. This is the first time I'm using Curly Coily Tresses. I've heard of them, but I've never used their products before. She does not have a cleanser currently. She just has a deep conditioner and stylers. The 3-step kit that I'm using, she's actually having a sale for $20 right now. I'll list all that in the description box. As always with deep conditioning, I'm going to brush that deep conditioner through because you want to make sure you get all your strands coated. You don't want any dry patches. So this is my hair just after applying all of the deep conditioner. As always, I'm going to go in with my hot hair cap for about 20 minutes. You don't have to do this step, but it does take your deep conditioner to the next level. That's with any deep conditioner. And as you can see, my curls are moisturized. I'm going to do a side-by-side of before and after. It just takes it up to the next level. So I'm going to be using this pumpkin seed oil. I've never used pumpkin seed oil before, and it is organic, so I was happy about that. So I'm just kind of doing like a LOC method, if you will, just locking in that moisture that I added with the deep conditioner, and then I'm going in with the Enrich Moisturizer for my styler. So this styler was really thick that I really just felt like it was really locking in and putting in added moisture that I needed to my curls. You see how they're popping already. So I'm just going to use this as my styler. I'm not going to go in with a gel or anything like that, and I'm going to use the same method I use for wrapping my hair around the Flexi rod. So I'm doing a wrapping method more so than just forming my hair around the roller, if that makes sense. So it's kind of like you see the rotation motion that I'm doing. It's just one of those things that you'll get down the more that you do this. But I'm not forming my hair around the rod, which would give you that spiral curl look. I don't want the spiral curl. I want more of a coil. So as you can see, I'm making sure I'm keeping my hair smooth. That is very important to get the definition of the curls that you want. So you have two options once you get everything set. I only use 15 rods. I could have sat underneath the dryer for 2 hours, but I decided to air dry because I did not have enough time. So they aren't the greatest to sleep in, but you want to make sure that your hair is fully dry or you will not get these results. So even after sleeping overnight, if you know if your hair takes a while to dry, I would just sit underneath the dryer for an additional 30 minutes. Because if your hair doesn't look like this when you're taking the rod out, that means it's still a little damp. If your curls aren't bouncy, if they aren't light and fluffy, that means your hair is still wet. So take that extra 30 minutes under the dryer after overnight if you feel like your roots are still wet, because you don't want to ruin this with not being fully dry. I mean, because look at what we got here. So I was very pleased. The shine level was on point. I especially felt like without having to use a gel that these results were bomb. So it is only 15 rods, and I know I'm probably overdoing it with this slow-mo, but I mean, look at these curls. Like, I was really shocked. They look like I sat underneath the dryer. I'm just gonna say that. And the shine level, I felt like these products really locked in some moisture, and I did use a little bit of oil on my fingertips just to avoid any unnecessary frizz. But you see, there's no frizz happening. I have no frizz, and I did not use a gel, which is like almost unheard of. So I was really pleased with just using one styler. I'm all about one styler these days, I've noticed. And it's the easy wash days for me. Like 15 rods, one styler. It took me literally maybe 20 minutes to set this. I think you can do this. If you have never done a Flexi rod set, this is a great size to start with. And one thing I do love about this size is that I don't have to do much separating because it's already a large section. The curls are covering up my parts, and I can let this grow over time without fluffing it to the max. So let me know in the comments, do you think you can do this? Are you gonna try this for your next wash day? Let me know. This is one of my favorite size rods. And these products were bomb. So check out the sale information in the description box to get all 3 of these products for $20. And you get to go. So yes. And this did last me for a week. And I was happy about that. So thanks for watching as always. And until next time, peace.